Think trimming your cat's nails is scarier than a horror movie? It doesn't have to be. First, pick a quiet time when your cat's calm. Post-nap is ideal. Gently hold their paw and press to extend the claw. See that pink part? That's the quick. Don't cut it, just trim the sharp tip. Snip. Easy, right? If they squirm, no stress. Take breaks, give treats, and always stay calm. Patience is key. Oh, and if your cat's giving you that "I'm calling my lawyer" look, yeah, you're doing it right. Remember, practice makes perfect. Got it? Good. You're officially a Cat Podicure Pro. If you like this, subscribe for more cat-tastic tips. Your cat will thank you. Probably.